Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be painting a picture of a McDonald's Hamburger Bouncer that I saw at the Round Top Antiques Fair. You may have seen my previous video where I painted the Mario Kart ride that I saw there. Well, I also saw this nostalgic piece of playground equipment there, and it was really neat. So basically, for those who don't know, these were at, I guess, at McDonald's restaurants back in the day, and they had little playgrounds set up outside, and this you would anchor to the ground and sit on it, and kind of bounces back and forth. They still have these in playgrounds and stuff around. I've seen them. Actually, I thought of doing a photography book where I went around and took pictures of playgrounds and all these little bouncers and stuff, because there's a lot of really neat ones out there, especially when you go to old towns or really small towns that haven't updated their playground equipment in a while. See a lot of really neat little bouncers and whatnot. This one I saw at the Round Top Antique Show and thought I would paint a picture of it. I'm using gouache this time. Thought I'd try something a little bit different. I need all the practice I can get in gouache. I'm just learning, starting to use it. I hope you enjoy this video of me attempting to paint a hamburger bouncer in gouache. Hey guys, hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. If you did like it, go ahead and hit a like down there for me, or subscribe. And if there's anything you would like to see me draw, just leave a comment and I'll get right to it and give you a shout out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.